driving? Do you get special training? Do you have a dedicated team of people driving that car? Alright, let me go into this car over here. It's just okay. It's not too tight. Dubai Police is driving this car, and they have how many cars? How many supercars does the police have?
We have 13 special cars.
Well, I can't hear you. Oh, I need to put my belt on.
Yeah, you have to put your seat belt.
All right. Okay, let's.
We're gonna go for small door. Burj Al Arab.
So I think we go to the Burj Al Arab.
Yes.
Yes, we go to the Burj Al Arab. Okay.
That's right.
Is it normal for you?
Yeah. Actually, it's something weird. Not only for me, even for the people that usually they don't believe that it's normal patrolling car for police.
Well, it gets a lot of attention from everywhere around the world, as you know.
Yes.
Why do you need to drive a car like this? Is there a necessity for that as well?
At the beginning, it's not for the speeding or chasing. Most of the people, they think it's a supercar and the fast car. They're gonna be chasing people with these cars. No, at all. This is not the main idea about it.
Okay.
These cars, the special cars, it belong to the tourist police department.
The tourist police department?
Yes, there is a department in Dubai Police. It's called Tourist Police Department. So we take care about the tourists.
Yes. All right.
واضح. So it's belong to the tourist police department, and these cars are gonna be in the special places for the tourists, the luxury places. So it's gonna be patrolling there as a normal police car.
Yes.
But with a different type of cars. It's a supercar, so it's gonna be attractive for the tourist.
Okay.
It's something new.
So it's also a promotion for the police.
Of course, with these special cars, it's like a promotion for the police. Like everybody all the tourists gonna be attractive, and they're gonna ask about the police, what kind of service they can Dubai Police give them. And smart police station there is.
Exactly, the smart police station.
Yes.
Are they all around the touristic area here or not?
Yes, it's actually gonna located in the tourist places.
That means that the Dubai Police is far ahead of technology than many other police forces in around the world.
Of course, that's the main idea, and we are going on this way, always in intelligent things, to make the services very fast, and to let the people who are gonna use it will not lose their time on it.
So you have a portable radio, so it's not a mobile radio.
Yeah, usually it's the old one that was taking space, the spacing in the car.
Yes.
So these things, new things, now it's very small.
Yes.
And easy to carry it.
Yes, exactly. You can take it outside immediately as you want it to be.
Of course, of course.
Okay. Now the big question is, can you, when you drive and you have the radio in your hand, is that allowed?
No, usually it's gonna be fixed here.
Yes.
Because these are new car, gonna fix the new type. So it's gonna easy, just push and you're gonna talk. And usually it's gonna be a partner, the partner who's the guy who's gonna answer the question.
Exactly.
Now you are my partner, so you should answer.
Yes. All right.
Enter to
Okay.
Burj Al Arab. لوهلة الرجال يريد تصوير مع الدوريات.
So that's the other police car over there. Okay. So, in other words, working for the Dubai Police is actually a quite fun thing to do. So that's a TETRA radio.
Yeah.
And that TETRA radio goes over the network which is installed by Nedaa, right?
Nedaa, yeah.
That's a Nedaa. So the whole police force is communicating over the Nedaa network?
Yeah.
Did you ever have any situation when the network was down?
No.
No?
Not at all.
Perfect. Flawlessly.
Yeah, flawless.
But it must be very exciting for you to see all the new technology.
Because it will make our job easier.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And it's already easy with these cars over here.
Yeah.
Oh, so you have fun in your work?
Yeah, for sure.
Every day.
Every single day.
Yeah. Oh, we don't need.
This is the first time you're having this one in your hand?
Yeah.
Okay.
Other department they're gonna use.
You can see there, it's TETRA. Nokia, I think, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The old one.
So this is a new radio for you guys?
Yeah.
No, for our department, yes, but other departments maybe gonna use it, no problem. For us,
Okay. Let me see how easy it is. And that's easy. All right.
okay,
All right.
gonna give you a small gift from Dubai Police.
Okay, thank you very much.
Something-
That's smart, secure together.
Yes,
That's cool. And
small for your phone if you are using it.
oh, thank you so much. The tourism police
Yes.
in Dubai. Let's follow the other car.
Yes, we are going now. Services.
Yes.
And usually
Yeah,
the
it has some
camping-
power, right? The engine. The power is. How fast do you drive?
Normal. Not a
Was there any situation where you had to drive very fast and use the Tetra radio at the same time?
It depends what kind of situation you have. If
Yes.
something you have to go fast to it, you have to go and you're gonna open the lights,
Yes.
so everybody gonna be careful.
So there were situations where you had to put on the lights and have to drive fast
Yes.
and communicate at the same time.
Of course. Make sure that the road are safe.
Exactly. Yeah, that's speed. That's what I call speed. That's different than my car. That's
It's an honor to meet you and in our patrolling car, and I hope you enjoy.
I definitely enjoyed it. I definitely enjoyed this. Alrighty. Okay, that was exciting. That was exciting. Thank you very much, Alex. Much appreciated.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you.
Okay, have a good time.
You too.
Bye bye.